Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today's video is a first impression and review on Murad Daily Clarifying Peel. If this is your first time here and you want to learn more about skincare, please don't forget to subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any beauty videos. This is how it looks like. I have my phone and I'm going to read you guys the claims about this clarifying peel toner. It claims it is a dermatologist approved solution that visibly smooths texture and improves the look of pores for a smoother looking skin, and is suitable for normal, dry, combination, and oily skin. And ingredients it has salicylic acid, which is supposed to exfoliate to minimize the look of pores, and it had gyrolic acid, which is supposed to visibly remove dull surface to smooth and clarify, and it has retinol, which is supposed to help improve surface cell turnover to visibly refine and smooth skin texture, and it is gluten-free, cruelty-free, and vegan. It retails for $47 and it's available at Sephora. This is a sample size. I received this in the mail. This is a sample size. So this is how it looks like. And then I'm gonna open it right now. Like this. Okay, so I'm going to take a cotton pad. Pour it. Okay, so I put some on the cotton pad right here. Now I'm gonna smell it. It smells like licorice. So the scent of this Daily Clarifying Peel by Murad smells like licorice. Okay, so the direction says apply this on clean skin. It's supposed to peel it, make it get rid of all the dirt and whatnot on your skin. So let's see. So remember, I did say I have a clean face and I was applying the cotton pad with it. So you guys want to see something? Look at all the dirt that was still on my face. Like what? My face was still dirty, but when I applied this, definitely like peel your skin and actually gets rid of all the dirt. My honest opinions about this Murad Daily Clarifying Peel. The first thing I don't like about is the scent. It has the scent of licorice. If you guys don't like the scent of licorice, this product is not for you. But second thing I like about this product is that it definitely like exfoliate and peeled my skin. Let me guys show you something once again. When I applied it on my face, I applied it on clean skin. That's what I thought. I thought my skin was clean. But when I applied it with a cotton pad, look at all the dirt that came off my face. So I was wrong. So this did an amazing job of getting rid of all the dirt on my face. Third thing I liked about it is that the formula has a silicone the formula is very silicone-like. It has a silicone-like formula. So as I'm feeling my face right now, my face is feeling smooth, but it has that silicone feeling onto your skin. You definitely have to try this out on your own so you guys can know what I'm talking about. So for first impression, I just really like this sample size of the Murad Daily Clarifying Peel. I love the fact that it's vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. But overall, I love the fact that it did exactly what it claims. They were right. They were right about this. It definitely peeled my skin, getting rid of all the second layer dirt that I thought my face was already clean. Remember, it retails for $47 and it's available at Sephora. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this skincare video. If you like this review, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe right here or right here, and I'll see you in my next video.